and welcome back to the official English channel. I'm Sophia, and I'm thrilled you're here for another lesson.
And I'm John. Sophia, you look energized today. Good morning vibes?
Absolutely. I've got my tea, the studio is cozy, and we're diving into a topic every English learner struggles with at some point.
No, that sounds serious. But before we reveal the mystery topic, a quick reminder, if you're enjoying our lessons, go ahead and tap that like button. It really supports our work.
And if you're new here, welcome. Make sure you subscribe and share this episode with someone who's learning English too. It helps more than you imagine.
All right, Sophia, what challenge are we solving today?
Today, we're tackling one of the biggest obstacles in language learning: how to stop mentally translating and start thinking directly in English.
Ah, yes, the translation cycle. I think most learners know this one.
Exactly. You hear an English sentence,
And instead of understanding it instantly, you first convert it into your own language.
you then come up with an answer in that language.
And finally, you try to translate your answer back into English.
A full brain workout nobody asked for.
And extremely slow. You lose the rhythm of the conversation because by the time you finish translating, the other person has already moved on.
Exactly. That's why many learners feel like they are always behind, even if they know the vocabulary.
And translating can also cause confusion. Languages don't match piece by piece.
Right. A phrase in English might need several words in another language, or it might not exist at all.
Which leads to unnatural sentences, sometimes very funny ones.
So today, we're going to help you build a direct mental link to English. No translation bridge in the middle.
Let's start with something simple. What's the first technique?
Begin with the environment around you. Single, everyday words. Look around right now. What objects do you see?
I see my notebook, my keyboard, and, of course, my coffee mug.
Perfect. When you see that mug, your brain should jump straight to the word mug. No other language in between.
So I'm basically renaming everything around me in English.
Exactly. You're creating instant English labels. Window is window. Chair is chair. Phone is phone. No translation, only English.
I love that, and it's incredibly easy to start. Just a few minutes every day walking around your home.
Yes, 5 minutes is enough. This habit slowly rewires your brain to respond in English first.
Okay, what's next after single words?
Step 2 is picture learning, because images don't belong to any language.
So things like flashcards?
Exactly. When you look at a picture of an apple, your brain should immediately think apple, not the word from your native language.
Ah, I get it. The image forces your brain to skip translation.
Correct. You can use picture cards for foods, animals, actions, emotions, anything.
Plus, it's portable. You can carry cards or use apps when you're on the bus, waiting in line, anywhere.
Exactly. And you can turn it into a mini game. How many picture words can I name in 60 seconds?
That actually sounds fun. And I guess it helps build vocabulary faster.
It does, because you're learning through direct sight, not translation.
We covered single words, but conversations require more than that. What's the next step?
Step 3 is connecting simple thoughts to simple English sentences. Start with what you feel or what you're doing right now.
So if I'm feeling good, I think, I feel good.
Exactly. Replace the habit of thinking in your language with a tiny English sentence. Feel cold to I am cold. Feel hungry to I am hungry. Sitting down to I sit down.
It's like narrating your day in English.
Yes, it may feel strange at first, but it connects your real-life experience directly to English phrases. No translation needed.
What's next on our list?
Step 4 is learning through visual English content, especially simple shows or children's cartoons.
Cartoons? Why cartoons?
Because the language is simple, everything is visually clear, and the story moves quickly. When a cartoon character says, "Look, a ball," you see the ball instantly.
So your brain connects the word ball with the actual object, not with the translation.
Exactly. It teaches you English through context, not through memorizing lists.
Is it easy to make this change?
Not at first. Which brings us to step 5, patience.
Ah, yes, the emotional part of learning.
Thinking in English is like building a new habit. You won't be perfect in a day. You will translate sometimes.
So instead of saying, I'm terrible at this, I should say,
Ah, I translated again. Let me try the English phrase. Be gentle with yourself. Progress is slow but steady.
small daily steps matter more than long, stressful study sessions.
Absolutely. Every time you think directly in English, even once, it's a win. You already started labeling objects, using pictures, and narrating simple sentences in English.
Yes, and now we're going to take it further. We'll combine everything you've learned and make English thinking even smoother.
We've talked about labeling and narrating. The next step is to link actions with words in real time.
Can you give an example?
Of course, every time you perform an action, speak it in English in your head.
Like, if I'm pouring water, I think, I pour water.
Exactly. Or if you're opening the door, I open the door. Walking to your desk, I walk to my desk.
I see. So each movement reinforces the English phrase automatically.
Yes, it creates a living script of your daily life entirely in English. Over time, your brain stops needing translation. It reacts directly in English.
We have phrases now. What's the next challenge?
Step 7 is about making short mental stories. Take 2 to 3 phrases and link them.
Like, I walk to the kitchen. I see an apple. I eat the apple.
Exactly. You're now thinking in sequences, not isolated words. Your brain starts understanding context in English automatically.
It feels like creating a tiny movie in my mind.
That's exactly it. And it makes conversation much faster because your brain already knows how to string thoughts together in English.
We've practiced alone. How about actual talking?
Step 8 is immersion. Try chatting in English every day, even if just a few sentences.
Can I start with a friend or online group?
Yes, even speaking to yourself works. Describe your actions or thoughts out loud. I drink tea. I open my notebook. I read a book.
So I'm narrating my life and practicing direct thinking at the same time.
Exactly. Every word you speak without translating strengthens that neural connection to English.
Mistakes are inevitable, right?
Absolutely. Step 9, don't fear errors. They are not failures. They're signals
Signals for what?
for what needs more practice. If you say something wrong, your brain identifies the weak point. That's your opportunity to improve.
So mistakes are like a GPS for my English brain.
Exactly. Celebrate them as feedback. Each correction is progress.
This is a lot of steps. How should someone start?
Focus on consistency, not perfection. Even 5 minutes of practice daily is better than an hour once a week.
So label objects around you in English, narrate actions, create many stories, and watch a cartoon or song daily, just a little bit every day.
Exactly. Small, repeated actions build the fastest mental pathway to thinking in English naturally.
Let's summarize all 10 steps.
Label objects around you in English. Use pictures or flashcards to connect images directly to English words. Narrate simple sentences based on your feelings or actions. Watch simple visual English content like cartoons or songs. Be patient and kind to yourself.
Connect real-life actions with English phrases in real time. Link phrases into many stories. Practice speaking and immersive conversations daily. Treat mistakes as feedback, not failures. Focus on small daily wins consistently.
Following these steps will gradually shut down your internal translation engine. Your mind will start thinking in English automatically. Here's your task for today. Look around you, Pick one object and write the English word in the comments below.
It could be your pen, your phone, a cup, anything. This is your first step toward direct thinking in English.
And if you're feeling bold, make a tiny sentence about it. I see a pen, or I open my notebook.
We can't wait to see your responses. This is the start of your English brain rewiring journey.
Remember, learning English is like growing a plant. Water it daily with small practice, and it will bloom naturally.
Exactly. Consistent effort and kindness to yourself are your keys to success.
Thank you so much for joining us today. And keep practicing. Every small step counts.
And don't forget to subscribe to the official English channel and share this episode with a friend learning English.
See you in the next episode. Keep connecting your thoughts directly to English.
Bye for now, everyone. Keep learning and enjoy the journey.